From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. And the name of this video, S&P Pre-ECB Squeeze Job. The high of the day came in at 2.032 even, mid-afternoon. The low came in at 2.005 half, mid-morning. And last, we're 2.02680. We're up 10 handles on the day. Excuse me. Total volume is 1.6 million minis and 3,000 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, the MIM added dead to right. It started out 216 million to buy, and the actual MOC came out by 200 million. Tomorrow we've got the Jobless claims number. We've got the FHFA House Price Index. We have the EIA natural gas and petroleum reports. We have a 2- and 5-year note auction, a 10-year TIPS auction. We've got the Fed balance sheet, money supply, and earnings from Starbucks, AMAT, McDonalds, and Verizon. Now look, I don't know what to say about this. Everybody was pretty bearish a couple days ago, and then what I think we've seen over the last couple of days is a little bit of an ECB short covering and squeeze job. At least the timing looks correct. Now, what we saw today is we saw the S&P rally up, and then we saw it sell off all the way down to 0.5 half, and then rally back up to 32 even, then sell back off down to 16 even, and then rally back up to 27 late in the day. Now, as I've been pointing out, even on a slow day where the volume's lower, there's still a ton of volatility sticking out here. Now, my question is this. I think that crude oil has been back and filling a little bit. And I think the S&P was back and filling yesterday. Now, my question to you guys is, if we get past the ECB stuff tomorrow and the markets rally, are we going to 2050? Are we going back to 1990? As I've said earlier on, you know what? I don't have a great feel for this. With all this thrashing going back and forth, I think it feels like all we've got to do is see one negative headline and the S&P will go straight down again. But that said, I do think that the S&P is back and filling and trying to move back higher. Now, what I would say is the other part of this is crude oil continues to be all over the place. And as long as it's like that, the S&P is going to react in kind to that. Now, you know what? I'm going to leave it like that, you guys. It's all about the ECB meeting tomorrow, and I'm going to leave one question with you. I want you guys to tell me, and please join in on the YouTube page. I really, really enjoy your comments. But are we going up or down? You guys tell me. We'll leave it like that, and we'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.